Netaji's broadcast from Germany, obtained from Publication Division's book Selected Speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose. Deny all help to Britain. At this stage of our struggle for the complete freedom of India, no power on earth can prevent me from arriving in your midst. All Indians should take advantage of the present trend of the events to achieve their objectives. If India follows Britain and takes her side, then she will meet the same doom as will fall upon Britain. I therefore warn my compatriots not to help Britain in any manner whatsoever. Even a small child can see that the British Empire is going to be smashed to pieces. It has neither air power, nor naval power, nor a big army. Britain is trying to terrorize India into obedience. But just as she could not save herself from Africa, Europe, and East Asia, so also, I assure you, she cannot do anything in India. In such a critical situation, it is the duty of every Indian to join hands with the enemies of Britain. Britain's enemies are our allies. Brothers, we will have to make great sacrifices in this struggle because British imperialism will rather be prepared to lose England itself than to give up India. This is a strange logic of British imperialism. At this juncture, we must discharge our duty adequately. We cannot get freedom as a gift from Britain. We must win our freedom and independence by shedding our own blood at the altar of our motherland. My compatriots, I will be informing you from time to time about the steps which our allies might take against Britain. My secret agents who are operating throughout India are regularly getting their orders over the radio in secret codes. Among the officials alone, we have more than 50,000 agents. Apart from this, there are innumerable fifth columnists. They will strike at the opportune moment. When the overseas Indians advance, those lakhs and lakhs of Indians who are operating behind the enemy lines will join them. Therefore, my friends, you need not think that you are alone or without any support in this struggle. Muster all your strength and be ready. The death blow to Britain. Inqilab Zindabad. Azad Hind Zindabad. There is no doubt that the repeated broadcasts and messages were inspiring Indians and motivating them to do their level best to win freedom.